Hey guys, so we are back in the lab as we normally are, and today, um, Princess Raina will be making the box version of King Arthur. It's the unbleached cake flour. It is a birthday cake vanilla, so she's chosen to do that. Um, we are using one cake tin that is aluminum, and then we're going to try to use this other one here in the silicone mold just to see how it turns out. I'm going to turn it over to her so that she can speak to you about her process.
So I think that we're doing good. I'm not sure how the silicone mold will do. I hope because he did spray it with a lot of some cooking spray, so it would not stick. And I hope that it doesn't. And it might not work. It might. So I don't know. I hope it does.
All right, so we are going to check back in another 30 minutes. Raina also brought some fondant. You can go and show it to him in a second. Go ahead. And some decorations that she thought would be awesome sauce. So she's going to bring them over and we will check back in again. But I thought it would be great. Palm Sunday is coming up for those that are religious, like we are. So we got about 10 minutes. I have a convection oven, so I'm hoping that the oven does not burn my cake. Because it does burn, it does cook differently. So hopefully it cooks correctly. And we'll check back in with you in a minute.